If you look at Cristiano, I think people see the highlights, the step-overs, the goals. They don't see the other side of him. It's that time on the training pitch. It's that time in the gym. He is a perfectionist. That ability to step up when you're at the top of your game is incredibly difficult. The sort of maturity of Cristiano is starting to come through. And that maturity is really what has really kicked off the idea of this collection. We've always talked about the duality of Cristiano, an amazing athlete on a pitch, and he's also off-pitch, the style icon. When we start to look at the mature side and then blend that with this off-pitch style, we look, for example, at some of the trends in high-end fashion shoes, where we're blending unique elements of sort of classic sides, traditional sides, but also with a bit of a different irreverence. The sort of simplicity of using blacks and dark colours, it's very sophisticated with more contemporary sportswear colours and details. The use of the Love Heart and the Cross logo. Again, we're building on the duality of Cristiano. You know, that stands for love to win, hate to lose, and that's really something that's very important to the style and attitude of Cristiano. He kind of wears as a badge on his heart. The collection itself is two different sides. One is the performance side. When we look at the Mercurial boot, we've really looked at the type of material to increase the tactility and the touch and give him the edge in the game. The other is the lifestyle collection. You know, we're looking to take some of the elements and style of higher-end fashion that he likes, but really mashes that with a kind of more relaxed style of Cristiano. So this new collection is really about building on a modern interpretation of some of the classic elements of football and lifestyle, but twisting it with an irreverent youth side, which Cristiano is really going to embody through his style of play on and off the pitch.